Hi everyone, and welcome back to our Python for Data Analysis course. In this video, we will learn how to install Anaconda and use Jupyter Notebook, one of the best tools for Python programming and data analysis. So let's get started. Here is what we will learn today. Installing Anaconda, launching Jupyter Notebook, and running your first Python script in it. By the end of this video, you will be ready to use Jupyter Notebook for your first project. The first question arises, why to use Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook? The answer is Anaconda makes managing packages and environments easy. It comes with Python and essential libraries pre-installed. Jupyter Notebook, on the other hand, is an interactive environment perfect for coding, visualizing, and documenting your analysis all in one place. To install Anaconda, visit anaconda.com. Go to Download section and choose the version for Windows and download the installer. Once it's downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. It is that simple. After the installation, open the Anaconda Navigator from your Start menu. You will see a panel with various tools. Click on the Launch button under the Jupyter Notebook and it will open in your default web browser. You can run a simple script in Jupyter Notebook. Click New in the top right corner and select Python 3. In the first cell, type Print Welcome to Jupyter Notebook. Press Run or Shift plus Enter to execute the cell. If you see the output, everything is working perfectly. Now that we know the theory, let's dive into the demo and install Anaconda on Windows. We will also explore Jupyter Notebook and run a simple Python script in it. Now let's open a browser and visit anaconda.com. Here we can go to the product section and choose Navigator, or we can just directly go to free download and it is asking for our email address. We can also skip this registration and go to this download section directly, and now we can download for Windows, Mac and Linux. In Windows, Anaconda is only for 64-bit graphical installer. Now when we click on this download button for the Windows, our app will be downloaded. It's taking time because it is 951 MB file. Follow the setup instruction and accept the license agreement. Here we can do next and accept this license agreement. I recommend installing it for just me, unless you need it for all users. We will press next again. As we can see, this is the path for our Anaconda Navigator. We can press next here. Make sure to select the option to add Anaconda 3 to my path environment variable. Now we can press the install button. Once the installation is complete, let's open the Anaconda Navigator. It will take a moment to load, and here we can see this is the Anaconda Navigator, and it is a distribution which provide many tools for data analysis and data science. You can see RStudio, Watson X, Oracle, Spider, PyCharm. Press the launch button below the Jupyter Notebook and our Jupyter Notebook will open in our default browser. Here in the file section we can open new and then notebook. After selecting Python 3, we can start our coding journey in Python notebook. In the first cell, let's type our first Python code. Print welcome to Jupyter Notebook. And when we press Shift plus Enter, it will execute our code. Here the code is executed, which means our Jupyter Notebook is working fine and correct. That is how you install Anaconda and use Jupyter Notebook. Now you are ready to start coding in an interactive environment. That's it for this video. Now you have successfully set up your Anaconda Navigator and explored Jupyter Notebook. In the next video, we will dive into Google Colab, another powerful tool for Python programming, especially for collaborative and cloud-based projects. Don't forget to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to this channel for more exciting content. Thank you and Jai Hind.